how to log in National Bank of Oman online banking Oman. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your National Bank of Oman online banking. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for National Bank of Oman, and it will show some web links, and you just have to click on the real website of the National Bank of Oman and the official bank. So after clicking on here, it will redirect you to this home page. This is the official site of National Bank of Oman, and after coming here you can see multiple options here. You just have to click on the right corner, seeing the internet banking option. You just have to simply slide your cursor and click on personal login or corporate login, whatever you prefer, and I'll just use personal login. And after clicking on personal login, it will open a login forum. As you can see, the language English, you can set it to Omanese language, or you can use English. And after that you have to give your login ID and password, and after that you have to click on login, and then it will send you a OTP onto your designated phone number or email, and after providing the OTP to them, you can successfully log into your online banking of National Bank of Oman. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.